everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another creative look for you guys because I'm bored, and I was supposed to do a monthly favorites today, but I don't really have a lot of new products to make favorites videos with, so I thought let's do something more fun, do another body paint since you all really seem to enjoy the last one I did with the flowers. So today I'm going to be doing a pop art zombie bunny rabbit. I've done a couple other bunny looks on my channel here for Halloween. I've done a regular bunny and then a like glitter tear crying bunny. So today we're going to do pop art zombie. It's going to be much more intense. Let's get started. I'm going to start with my eyes, and I am going to do a full like glam eye look to go with it. So this is a little bit of a combination of everything. It's a little bit spooky with the zombie part, but it's a little bit of glam with the eyes, and then a little bit of you know, creativity with the pop art. I know pop art zombies are like really popular for people to do who body paint, but I thought this would be a little bit of a twist since I didn't see, when I was looking up like reference pictures, I saw no pop art zombie bunnies. I saw zombie bunnies, but they were like really SFX heavy, and I didn't feel like doing all that today. So I am priming my eyes all the way up because they are going to be a little bit of an illusion. And my theme for today is pink and blue, so I am going to be going into this BH palette and probably a few shades on here. So I think I'm going to start with this palette since the blues are going to be darker. Now I'm just going to get a big fluffy brush for this part. I'm not going to be real precise and specific, but I'm going to take this cobalt blue. This is Makeup Geek Neptune. This was bought before their rebrand, so I don't know that they even have this anymore, but I am just taking a big fluffy brush and we are going to apply this really heavily. Now this is one of those blues that can come off a wee bit chalky, so we will layer. But it's okay, we're a zombie bunny. If it looks like the makeup's wearing off, it's okay because we're a zombie. We are a creature of my own creation. So we're just gonna fill this all in, and I'm gonna chat to you guys while I do it. Probably, I always say that and then I never talk. Like I said, it doesn't need to be perfect. But now I'm going into MBA Cosmetics. This is their color Azure with the same brush. It's just a little bit of a lighter blue. And we're going to take this as our brow highlight. And really, you know, blend it out enough so that it looks like a nice gradient. But, I mean, don't make it your main concern here. Now for the lid, I'm going to go into the Wild and Alluring palette by BH. And I think I'm going to use this middle color right here. It seems to be the most pink out of all of them. Maybe mix it with this one a little bit because this seems a little bit lighter. We're going to see. I have another backup color to put on top. In case it's coming off like pretty gold. But yeah, this top color I'm adding more of because it's a little bit more pink. So I think I'm just going to go in with Cuddle Buddy from ColourPop. Pack that on because it's more of a pink. I want like a really bright sort of pink, like soft but bright, like a blush color, but I want to try and put blush on my eyelids because I used to do that when I was little and I had like a reaction. I've really been digging white eyeliner lately, so we're going to use that for a couple things. I'm going to use it for regular eyeliner, and I'm also going to toss on these Wet n Wild lashes that have glitter on them. So I'm going to pop the liner on and these on, and then we will start painting. Alright, so we're going to paint now. I am going to use my Wolf FX palette, and I am going into the pink. So that's the first color we're gonna go into, and of course I stick my hand in black, but this is just water activated paint, And I'm using an e.l.f. foundation brush. These are really great to body paint with. So we're just gonna get this wet and load up the brush. Okay, we are pink. Very, very pink. And I'm hoping this does not stain me, but I feel like it will. So it's fine. So I'm gonna do some eyebrows real quick, just to get them out of the way. I'm gonna do some white eyebrows with the white eyeliner. And you guys can see I kind of did like a drippy effect on my neck. We're gonna outline all of this. So the brows are just gonna be like white, and I'm just going over my natural brows. So it just kind of coats the hair without like laying it down like paint can. So we're just gonna go over it and then bring them up. So make them a bit bushy. Now I'm going to go in with some highlights. I'm going to take the same brush I used before and just go into some cream paint. This is the Wet n Wild Pastels Fantasy Maker palette, and I'm just using the pastel pink, and we're going to highlight a few areas with this. So I'm going to tap it on the bridge of my nose so it looks very, very shiny. And then just tap it with my fingers to blend it. And then underneath this eye, do a little bit like concealer almost. And again, just tap it with my finger. I'm taking a smaller brush and going into my Wolf palette again. I'm going to take some blue, and we're going to start adding those like zombie elements into this. So I'm just loading up my brush here. This is just a small flat brush, and we're going to create like a droopy kind of like, not bleeding, but almost kind of effect on my eye. So I'm just going to make it look like it's leaking something. I'm gonna start adding some bunny features. I'm gonna start with a little nose. That's a little crooked. Why am I doing this without a mirror? I will never know. So I'm just taking a little bit of white cream paint and we're gonna create a little kind of bunny nose and cheeks. So I'm just kind of doing these like circles kind of to create cheeks. And the pink paint is like transferring with it, so it's kind of a pain, but you just have to get like enough white paint that it doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna build it up here. The zombie sort of theme, I am going to go in with some more water activated paint in this kind of teal color, and we're going to create like little holes in the skin. I feel like my jaw should be ripped a little bit, so maybe we'll paint something on there. I don't know what rabbit teeth look like inside a jaw, but I guess we can just add some and go from there. So now it's all about the details and it's all about the outlining. This is what makes the pop art theme really come and stand out. Now the piece de resistance, the bunny ears. So this is my final look. This is my pop art zombie bunny. I hope you guys enjoyed it because I enjoyed creating it for you. And if you want to see more crazy makeup tutorials and my brain children, check out my Halloween makeup tutorial videos down below, or any other makeup tutorials on my channel. Please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the